Hey, do you have a cup holder problem like we do? I mean, seriously, why are manufacturers not making enough cup holders for your vehicle? I mean, look, like in our truck, in our Ram truck, got plenty of space. It's got the extra space in the back. Why not put a couple extra cup holders? The only ones are the ones right here in the middle seat pull down. So if the kids have a friend along, or like on our big trip, we had family members with us, there were no cup holders back here. But how did we solve that? And that's why you're watching this video, is because we used the Mu&Ti, I didn't name it, I just bought it, the Mu&Ti cup holder system. So not only is it a cup holder system, but it also can hold Kleenexes, or it can hold your kids' stuff. They like to put things in it. That's what ours did with. They just sticked all kinds of stuff in there. But then we still use the Kleenexes. But the cool thing about it is this particular model, and we tried a couple of them, this particular model doesn't really slide left or right. I mean, it will, if you give it enough force, it will slide on itself, but it stays in position. The other one, we tried a couple different ones. The other ones, literally, while we were driving down the road, would actually slide over and fall off of the holder that's on the back of the headrest. So I'm guessing yours didn't even move.
Nope.
Good.
Perfectly good. Still intact. My drinkies are still alive. The tissues are perfect. And then this. it's like it went to where it's supposed to be. Lincoln. Okay, let me get this is supposed to be right here, but right now it's here from a turn. Do not get it.
These things are great. They have been a game changer for adding additional cup holders. I mean, for instance, like if you look here at the middle seat, we did have a kid up in the front riding with us there. So none of us had cup holders at that time, except for ours up in the front. We do have two in the door, but back here in the back, there's nothing. So that's where all of a sudden these came in handy. We at least got 4 cup holders at that point in time. Now I know you're just like, hey, big deal. You're missing a few cup holders. But no, it really is. It can be a big deal. If you don't have a place to put it, if you've got kids, trust me, it is a big deal. Because what do they do with it? They want to hand it to you. And then what do you do with it? So, exactly. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this. This is a really cool product. It has worked. It has lasted. We've had them now for months and months. And they are holding up. They don't slide off. They've been great. So yeah, so I'll put the link in the description. It's the Mu&Ti. So there you go. Hey, appreciate you stopping by, and we'll catch you here in the next one pretty soon. All right, see ya.